पहले वर्क पॉइंट है हाँ वही मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं आप लोग ऐसे तो आते
seen about in IT industry, what are the different opportunities we have. So today also we'll have a overview how to take a career in IT industry and what are the different opportunities we have in IT industry. So let us will check it out this first. Okay. So this is about the presentation. Like we have here what are the industry attributes, then the industry opportunity in IT sector, IT industry, and what are the career paths in this. Okay, so general overview outline of this presentation is general overview, career paths, industry opportunities, industry attributes. If you want to survive in the industry, what are the different 10 attributes it has. So an employee should have those 10 attributes, then only he can very smoothly survive in that industry, IT industry. Identifying or choosing a career path, building the desired career. So this PPTs, today's PPTs is about the general overview, career paths, industry opportunities, industry attributes, identifying or choosing a career path, building the desired career. Then general overview, like we have seen that in IT industry, number of opportunities were there. Okay, so the demand for IT professionals has risen over the past 15 years. One of the fastest growing industries and occupations is the IT industry and IT related jobs. The most sought after jobs in the IT industry are connected to data communication, information system development, and security. Information systems has become a standard to maintain, manage, and drive businesses. While these systems allows communication within an organization and with an external organization through a secured channel. So because of these features in IT industry, information system can be shared in within organization or with an external organization through a secured channel. Because of this, the opportunities are growing in this IT industry. While information system development has shown more prospects than any, small, medium, and large enterprises are now embracing the integration of using info systems to drive their businesses. So IT industry also they are IT industry is playing a major role in businesses by providing this information system development. Other areas are beginning to evolve with very bright and promising future as they relate with information generation, storage, and reuse. Multiple questions have been generated and still unanswered. Questions such as, how do I start a career in IT? What are the skills I need to acquire? What which aspects is most promising? Which aspect provides more opportunities? What if I fail? So these are the things any candidate will get a question for the to get the opportunity in IT field. Okay, so in IT sector, then career paths. Career paths, IT industry, it has different career paths in different areas like general business, service and repair, sales, software development, education and training, and consultancy. So in this area also career is there in IT industry. Then career path in general businesses, like most of them they don't have the awareness how they are involved IT industry, how they are involved in general business. So let us will check it out how IT industry is involved in general business. Almost if not every business, no matter how small they are, tend to use a form of application or the other in their respective businesses to prepare files and documents. Some employees use some specific IT application to perform specific tasks. Some organizations have an IT department that work to meet information requirement of the organization, which also provides jobs that are classified into six main areas. So even education institutes, they have this IT department for recruiting the staff. Any system, they have the IT department. They are recruiting the things, they are maintaining the information about the organization. So IT departments in any organization, it's playing a major role. So for jobs that are classified into six main areas, first is management, system development, technical services, operations, training, and security. These are the six main areas that in general businesses that can this can be classified. So the next is service and repair. In this career, service and repair, it provides services such as maintenance, installation, and repairs of IT gadget and its components. Service and repair jobs title include service technician, repair technician, computer technician. As a computer technician, part of his job is to install, maintain, and repair hardware, install upgrades, as well as configure software while he does the troubleshooting at the same time. Today, the approach is different as the available technologies allow the diagnose and repair of software associated problems from a remote location, which makes it very flexible. Career path in sales area. These are people that sell computers and accessories, often referred to as computer sales people. Their main job is to determine clients' need and match it with the correct combination of both hardware and software. They are usually paid based on number of products sold. While some sales people work directly for computer equipment manufacturing companies such as Lenovo, Dell, and HP. Others prefer to work for resellers, thereby making their roles and jobs more flexible as they can work for more than one reseller at a particular point in time. And in this sales area, these are people that sell computers accessories, often referred to as an computer sale people. Their main job is to determine clients need and match it with a correct combination of both hardware and software. There are usually paid based on number of products sold, while some salespeople work directly for computer equipment manufacturing companies such as Lenovo, Dell, and HP. So these are the things in related to sales. The next career path is software development. So many companies develop software that are targeted towards different industries, helping them automate their respective business processes. Some software companies particularly specialize in developing a particular type of software to increase and improve efficiency as well as performance. Efficiency and performance in the areas of operations, financial transactions, decision support, knowledge base, and automated processes depending on the company's priority. Then in career in education and training. So in IT industry, people they are IT industry people, they are training the employees as like one of the most relevant areas of the IT industry is the area of education and training, as companies now see the need to invest in their employees in form of corporate trainings to further boost their knowledge and understanding of organization goals in order to get the best out of them. Another vital area is where corporate trainers teach company employees on how to use a particular type of software. In recent times, help desk has been developed to handle hardware and software problems user might encounter. Then here IT consulting. So IT consultancy is one that is more fast gaining recognition as the only sub industry that allows professionals to give back to the industry based on their demonstrated expertise, coupled with experience that has been gathered over the years as a form of service. Some come cheap while others come very expensive depending on the area of the industry being focused on. An IT consultant is usually hired by an organization based on his experience and expertise. Trend over the years has shown that IT consultants are the most sought after category of professional in the industry. IT consulting, in cases where big organizations are involved, they hire a team of consultants. One of the reasons why IT consultants are hired is because they possess very strong technical skills coupled with a very high level of communication, as this is seen as great value to the organization and the industry. IT consultants are IT consultants are in high demand worldwide, especially for tasks such as web and mobile app development, hardware and software configuration, network design and installation, as well as information system design. Then industry job area management, system development and programming. In management we have chief information officer, chief technology officer, e-commerce director, network administrator, project manager, project lead. So this is in the area of management. And in the area of system development and programming, computer games designer, database analyst, desktop application developer, mobile application developer. Then in this area of job application developer, mobile application developer, software engineer, system analyst, system programmer, technical lead, technical writer, web software developer. Whereas in technical services, computer technician, database administrator, desktop publisher, these are the digital forensic examiner, graphic designer, quality assurance specialist, storage administrator, web designer, webmaster, or web administrator. In the area of operation, computer operator, data communication analyst, VoIP specialist. Then the training area, IT instructor, corporate trainer, help desk specialist. Then in security area, chief security officer, computer security specialist, mobile security specialist, network security administrator, security administrator. And here we have 10 attributes that an employee should have. Industry attributes, 10 attributes you need to have. First is open to learn new things. Second is ability to think deep, passion, consistency, perseverance, determination, adaptability, patience, focus, exploration. So these are the 10 attributes an individual should have to survive in the IT industry. Ability to think deep, then open to learn new things. Okay, I will stop here about the attributes. Then you have to, I will give you the chance, just share your views on this. This is the very good topic for our discussion. This about the IT industry, what are the different paths we have, okay, and the career in that, opportunities and the attributes an individual should have. Okay, so let us start one by one. You just share your views on this. So we got now we are familiar about the what are the industry opportunities. Okay, regarding depending on the areas. Okay, so to get a like why it is IT industry in demand because of this system, information system development, even in business area also. In business area, this information system it's using that remotely also you can work, and remotely you can do the business. Okay, you come up with your views, please. Yes, anybody? Mr. Faraz, like in business, we have this. In IT industry, what are the different opportunities we have? Because IT industry is using information system development has shown a more prospects than any for both the enterprises, small, medium, and large. So using this information system development, your information is generation, storage, and reuse. That's why it is in demand.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, yes, audible. You are audible.
Uh, uh, well, if I talk about the how do I start a career in IT?
Okay, okay, nice.
Uh, well, first of all, sometimes it happens if a person is trying to try in a job to get a job in IT sector. So if they are facing so many problems in their struggling times, just like to start a career in IT. So you have to work on your skills, and you have to more patience. If you have a more patience, just in IT industry, just hold it a second.
Yesterday I
If
shared the what are the highlights of the class. Yesterday I have shared the highlights of the class so that you can work on that. So my request is to all of you, like we have in the group nearly 35 participants in the group. So please check the group and try to do the assignments. It will help you out. If not right now, in future, inshallah, it will help you out. So you have seen Mr.
yes, ma'am.
Faraz?
But ma'am, it happens ki most of the but in the WhatsApp group is admin is allowed, so nobody's message on that group. So that's why they are not comfortable, and it happens also in the before to this class. Only a 3 to 4 members is connected before to this class in AWS. Uh, I actually I said to this if I join the AWS, so I didn't get anything. I didn't get any benefit of that class, but I am trying to understand the language or like that,
Yeah.
because it's very difficult for me. But I am trying to do that, and then I mostly I connected to that class. But पहले in before in past time, I just like to 1 month or 2 month ago we have to join to this class. and healthcare. So mostly student is connected on the technical class, but they are not connected to the English classes. But nowadays it happens कि in technical also mostly persons are ignoring, not in English, both the classes they are ignoring. So I think they have some distraction or miscommunication because of if they are asking some things, so we don't have the any way, any communications way to connect to them, or
Okay.
if a student is connected to each other in very easily way, just like to if we have an individual group and student, this is also a group to share everything, but
Okay.
the we have the
Inshallah, we will
restrictions to
plan for that.
admin.
Yes. Yeah, I will put a
Yes, it
request
happens ki,
regarding this.
because of
Yeah, we
I
work on
think that's the reason. I think that's a big reason. I think.
Okay. So we will check it out this and we will work on this. We'll create a group for the students so that they can communicate and they
Well,
can exchange.
it happens as we can try to this. We can open all participant messages in the group to relevant to the subject or relevant to the talk.
Yes.
So I think
Yes.
this group is also beneficial. But this group
Yes.
is
Yes.
only
Yes.
provided the link, and that the connected for those who are interested to connect. That's the way. And
Okay.
ma'am,
We'll put a
all the
request.
participants also interested. I think they are also interested. That's why they are joining and they are submitting the documents, all the things, all the stuff. That's why. But we have some miscommunication or distractions. That's why they are not connected again. So
Okay. But I will take care of this thing. I will put a request and will do a communication. Each and every member of this will communicate. We will open the we will see to that.
yes,
And here, so because we should, this is the program we have. This is the program for the awareness. Okay, in the gathering, we got the awareness and we are discussing. Okay, so we
of course,
should
ma'am. I would
discuss
love
and this
connect
will
to
improve
the
yes,
person. Yes,
language.
of course, I would love to connect to the candidate, those who are belongs to in Hyderabad. So I belongs to in Bhopal, so I have a very long distance to connect to them. But this is the only single way to connect to them to this.
Okay, fine.
So I thought that if I am connected to very easily, or if I am connected to them, the close to them,
Mm-hmm.
so they are also get the benefit of me, and I am also get benefit to him,
Yes.
to them.
Hmm. Yes, yes. It's true. Yes. So you were saying
Yes.
about this, okay? Um, how do I start a career in IT and what are the skills I need to acquire? Which aspect is most promising? Which aspect provides more opportunities? What if I fail? So for everything, you should have an alternate thing. Option should be there.
Of course, there are more alternative options, and there are more opportunities nowadays.
Hmm.
If a person have a single one skills, so they have a lots of opportunity. But it happens ki uh, up to the mark amount, or up to the mark salary is not getting in the first time. So in IT field, we have a lots of patience to work in the IT industry, because they are just paying a small amount. If you are a freshers, or if you are a experienced holder, you have only a 1 year or 2 years experience, so they are not get to you a lots of amount.
Mhm.
But the persons is especially concentrated to this case. If I'm in the IT industry,
Hmm.
so why I'm not getting the 10 point or this types of things, because of the uh, expectations is more than to the skills.
Hmm.
So every student have to this expectations ki if I get the 10.1 10.5 package or like this ki, if I'm speaking to anyone else to talk to, and I said to this कि मैं लोगों के सामने खड़ा हुआ तो ये बोलूंगा कि if I have a like I am मतलब मेरी सैलरी इतनी है, I have got to achieve this much salary in a month.
Mhm.
So that's why the person is कि एक feel होता है कि if I am in the IT field, so I'm not getting the that higher much amount to this
Mhm.
to this. It happens. But
So
if a person is
you
used
have to
to,
work hard to reach to that position. You
hmm,
have to be a professional. You have to follow the smart things in everything. Each and every factor is there behind that.
yes,
Dedication and time also required for that.
yes, yes, I need a require.
Then career paths like general business, service repair, sales, software development, education training, consultancy. So you have an idea that in this different areas we have in IT industry a career, okay, in general business, service and repair, sales, software, education and consultancy. So who is looking for this, any of the option? One by one say you are interested in like you are building yourself, you are preparing yourself for general business or service repair or sales, software or education or consultancy.
All the stuff is connected to the IT industry.
Yes, yes. Yeah, in IT industry, these are the job opportunities, career and job opportunities in the IT industry
Yes, yes, yes.
based on the following.
Just like to this, if in general, when is a persons who have a good skills in IT,
Hmm.
so he can start their own business. He can start their own business in their field. Just if he is good at
Business,
in
okay. Excuse
soft.
me. Business means you should do a business in a professional manner. If you have professionalism, you start a business, you can go to the heights of the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur also you can become if you are starting a general business, okay. So starting from a business to the entrepreneurship, that you can do it, okay. Service and repair also you
Yes,
can approach. You can start with a small shop and you can approach the different companies. AMC, okay, annual maintenance, this one contract they will take from the organizations, this service and repair AMCs they will take. So contracts they have to take from the organization because they are maintaining hardware things, okay, physical things they have. So for that they required people for service and repair, okay. Then sales
mm,
also, if you are a mechanical engineer or electrical engineer, so you are majorly know these people, they are familiar with the mechanical things and the electrical things. These things are required by the industry. These are the components they required. So if you provide the thing or sales of these components, okay, professionally, if you approach the organization, huge companies like that, so you should start gradually. You can improve yourself, upgrade yourself gradually, but you should upgrade yourself and you should identify your mistakes and try to correct them, and then only you can go in the career graph or career path smoothly gradually. Just a ladder of career, a career ladder is there, okay. One by
yes,
one
yes,
you can move on that. Then
yes, yes.
software
Step by
development,
step, you can move on.
yes. So service repair sales, it is related to hardware, okay, and software development, it is related to software like apps, information app or gaming apps, and products for the clients, customers. They will give a a product for the clients. They will develop the software for the clients. Then the education and training. Even if you once a person get experience, they will start their training sessions. They are providing a training. They have the instructor or the trainer, experienced persons. They will give the training and instruction to the new employees. Okay, freshers they are recruiting, so they will provide the training to the trainers, experienced trainers in the field, IT field. So education means they will educate the people about the industry, IT industry. And training also, they will education and training. Okay, if suppose we are doing a professional course like engineering in different streams, so we are educating ourselves. Then after that step we need to have a training session. You have to train yourself by doing practical things, by doing projects, and by doing that you'll get experience, isn't it? Then consultancy. So, recruitment, for the recruitment in the IT industry, many consultancies are there. First, consultants, TCS is there. Okay, TCS also is there. They will recruit very outstanding candidates. Okay, they will recruit very outstanding candidates, and they will place in the very company, very good company like TCS, Wipro, and many other companies. So, so consultancy, they will take the consultants with the um, candidate, and they identify that this one is very good, and he will match to that profile. So they will do the consultancy, means they will go accordingly. They will first identify the best candidate. So consultancy also required in the IT industry. Consultants also there. Like we have seen what are the different types of consultants. You can check it out. If you have experience, you can go for this option, consultants, IT consulting. Okay, IT consultants are in high demand worldwide, especially for tasks such as web, mobile app development, hardware and software configuration, network design and installation, as well as information system design. And one of the reason why IT consultants are hired, because they possess very strong technical skills coupled with a very high level of communication. Okay, IT consultant, they have very high level of communication. If you have knowledge and if you have a very good level of communication, you can become IT consultant. Okay, means technical skills with highly high level communication skill. If you have both skills, you can become IT consultant. You have experience in that. So like means guiding the employees, guiding the freshers. So that is IT consulting. Okay, then IT consultancy is one that is fast gaining recognition as the only sub industry, that is a sub industry that allows professionals to give back to the industry based on their demonstrated expertise coupled with experience that has been gathered over the years as a form of service. Okay, as a form of service, they have gathered the experience. Based on that, they have become a IT consultant. Okay, just share your views on this. Just decide yourself on which area you are looking for. Okay, we have these areas in IT industry, and in general business we have management, system development, technical services, operations, training, and security. Okay, this is the areas in general business. And in the sales we have these many opportunities. Okay, software development we have this one. You should have a efficiency performance in the areas of operation, financial transaction, decision support, knowledge base, and automated processes for the software development. Then here education and training. Then IT consulting. Yes, Muhammad Amjad, you have seen about this. You have like here we have career path in IT industry. In different areas we have, okay, general business, service, sales, software development, education and training, and consultancy. So you have to decide in which areas you are interested. So you have to build yourself based on your interest. These are the areas. In business, these areas are. If you want to just have a share your views on this, in which areas you have interest, share your views in that. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.
Yes, ma'am. These are very generic and specific fields that we are looking at today, ma'am. So
Yes, yes.
Basically, we start with an example, if we go to this career path. For example, we take an example of a Microsoft company. We start with that example. So, these
Okay.
what you are looking at in the slide are basically various divisions that they actually have. Like they have a Microsoft general business wherein they try to expand their stocks and they try to expand their assets with the businesses, and they try to take up the various things of the various clients and everything. Then when it comes to service and repair, like they give end-to-end customer service for all the products that they launched in the market, whether it is a physical devices or whether they are the software based devices. And then repairing again, like it depends on the kind of hardware, whether it is a hardware based stuff, so they have their authorized service centers around the globe. And then if it is a software based repair, as we have seen in the slide, that it can happen even remotely. There is a technical support team, and they'll connect your device remotely and they'll try to configure. And then for sales and everything on their various social media platforms, and when you go to their websites, they say subscribe to our newsletters and promotional offers and everything. So there is a dedicated like a digital marketing team that's actually working on this sales and development. So right now, most of the part of the globe, in person, previously we used to have a in-person marketing, but these days the impact of in-person marketing, the people are getting like they are not feeling it secure and safe. Whenever a person comes to you and sells you something, people find it very suspicious. So now this is an era of digital marketing, wherein you have to send an SMS, you have to send an email, or you have to have a blog on Instagram or Facebook or other social media platforms where people usually go around. So there you have to give a demo of your product, or you have to give. So that way they do a digital marketing, and they come up with like sales, and they try to grab the customers, and they try to see on the potential clients, they negotiate, they make a quotation, and then there's a two-side negotiation on that. And then comes to education and training. For education and training for education and training, they have a dedicated cell that is an incubation center wherein a new technology comes up, like Microsoft has example, Microsoft Azure, the cloud technology of Microsoft, wherein if they launch a new if the dashboard has a new features and applications, so their expert technical team will explain how to explore that, how to use that, what are the various things that you have to look into to use it. So that's what education and training, whenever they are doing any client based role, so they'll give a training to the client, or the client, if they want to purchase and use their product effectively, so they'll give a training, they'll assign a trainer, expert trainer to the client, so wherein the client will come to know out from the available resource how much effectively I can use the resources from the buyer. So in that way, we can have this education and training. Likewise, software development, again, software development comes from the scratch. Software development comes from
Yes.
website development, or database administration development, like social media marketing. So within a software development, it's actually a very broad horizon we have. So we can have, in software development comes all the various software based roles, whether it is a front end or back end, whether it is a developer or whether it is a tester and an end user of the software. So all those kind of designations actually comes under this software development cycle. And then again, they have the provision of consultancy, wherein depending upon the customer requirement, they'll try to suggest you the best product that's available in the market. For example, there is a customer request, there is a client and who approaches you with some sort of things, just like when we go to CTC or when we go to any computer store, so they'll ask us what are your specifications to buy a computer system. So we give them specification that we need i7 processor, we need this much GB hard disk, and we need this much GB RAM, example. So that's what, in a similar way, if a client needs a system with these resources, with these users and all that, so this consulting team can provide them a best possible cost effective efficient resources, like what are the various firms that can offer them the service. So they have the what you call they have an agreement with both their clients and the developers and the service providers, basically. So the consultancy will actually give it's a gap between the end customer and the actual people who are giving that service. So they are like a mediator, they are like an interface. So here in each area we can find the business opportunities, as is being mentioned in this slide, wherein the management roles comes up with technical expertise in all this the below roles, wherein we see e-commerce director or chief information officer and CTO, that's basically the CEO and of the company. And likewise for software developer, and in each level, with our previous slide, whatever different roles in IT, we can have a role of the various roles in technical side, in sales and repair side, likewise in education and training side, likewise in consultancy side. We have all the roles. Likewise in security, if you look at, we have a lot of even security, forensic examiner, quality assurance, in chief security officer, mobile security, the various things like whatever devices, networks and applications we are going to use. So we will be having that. Likewise, we have got a corporate trainer, and we have got an IT trainer, we have got a soft skills trainer, in all of those. So this industry attributes, ma'am, these 10 what we have actually discussed, these are some things that we have to inculcate. These are the points that we have to keep as a handy in front of us in a wall or somewhere, or in a reminder in our phone, wherein we have to daily go through this. Are we working on it or not? Are we doing this or not?
So I
with
suggest that
you know,
you hand on, you said no, hand on You should
Yes,
have
ma'am.
this. So I request all the participants of this course, so please, in your room, prepare a corner. There you put a notice board like that, and keep your smart. Okay, smart I have shared already in the
Yes, ma'am.
group, that one, and take out the all the printouts of that and keep it on the notice board. So
Yes,
every
ma'am.
time you can notice that paper, and
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will give you a reminder. And you will one day, third day or second day, you will inculcate, like every time you are seeing. So
Yes, ma'am.
by seeing, you'll get in your mind that I am just, you have to do this.
Yeah.
So you can do it, inshallah.
Yes,
So just my
that is one
request
of
is,
the
put
best
a
possible
notice
way
board
to.
in one of the corner of your room, and keep the things, okay, on the notice board, like pin up the things like
Yes, ma'am.
smart and the attributes, and what are the different areas are there in IT industry. Whatever I am sending in the group, try get the printout of that papers, and keep it on the notice board. So, it will help you out, really I am saying. Okay, inshallah. So you can do it. If you want a change in yourself, in your life, you have to do these things. Okay, no need of making, just take the printout and keep it like checklist and everything. If you really want a change, if you want to be a professional, okay, then you said like open to learn new things. This is very much important. Be willingness to learn new things whenever the opportunity presents itself. Irrespective of the level you find yourself, always be open to learn new things. This might include learning how to use a new software or learning another programming language. The industry is one that evolves from time to time, and so the things you know today might not be relevant in the next 3 years. You need to keep updating yourself to keep up with the pace of the industry. Because of, if you want to be in the IT industry, you should have this attribute, open to learn new things. Mr. Akram or Mr. Muhammad Amjad, give your views on this attribute. Give your views on this attribute, open to learn new things. Mr. Riaz Ahmad, Muhammad Amjad. Yes, Mr. Faraz.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Industrial attributes, open to learn new things, ma'am. We need to learn, ma'am, because if we are in the IT sector, then like yesterday I said, yearly basis the new patches will deploy, new features will come. So we need to be upgraded, ma'am. And one skill is not enough in the right now. We need to be multiple skills. We need to be have multiple skills.
Yeah.
If you are doing any, if you are going
Yes,
in a
it's true.
programming language,
Yes.
then we need to have knowledge for the software
Mhm.
testing as well as database backup and some user interface like front
Yeah.
end. We need to be have knowledge on that.
Yes, yes. Yes, one by one, share your views. You're getting the opportunity to speak out. If you speak, no, you'll get, means you're manipulating the things and you're speaking on this topic. Open to learn new things.
Yes, ma'am. Usually, like I'll come with our example. Like we have been learning all these 3-4 things in our bundle, the course bundle we have. Now, once we get into an IT role, so they want us to learn again something new. So at times the
Yes.
human tendency is like, they'll get frustrated, despite learning all this, and today again I have to learn something new. And what is this? At times there is a big mess in the brain. usually we find ourselves uncomfortable at that point of time. So, but since we have decided to make a
No,
career
that
in
is a
industry,
new thing
yeah,
means
yes, ma'am. New thing means something that requires the effort, something that you are not familiar with. So something that requires the
yeah,
attention.
means it has the
Yes,
base only, previous
yes,
base
yes,
according to the
definitely,
is
definitely, ma'am.
a version of that, means a new.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
The
ma'am.
same thing like DOS commands are there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
DOS command for the standalone computer, okay? And nowadays you are doing AWS, means on web you are working. Your
Yes, ma'am.
cloud, okay? On cloud you are handling the server.
Yes, ma'am.
Your limit is not within the organization. You are now, right now your limit is to rule over the world. You got the opportunity
Yes, ma'am.
nowadays, okay, this era, to rule over the world. In previous years, before 10 years ago, you are not able to do that.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
not able to operate the even your organization server also, isn't it?
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
the administrator is responsible for handling the server. Now you got the opportunity, so to try to learn that what is the new thing, please will check it out. If you have capability, then you can go through it.
Yes, ma'am.
Just check it out, just have a glance, just go through, just have awareness by going through
True,
that.
true, true, ma'am.
So that is a learn new things, open to learn new things. That is why they have opened all the LinkedIn is there. So those who are interested, those who have the abilities, competencies, they can move forward. So everything in IT industry is transparent, and all are welcome, but they have they should have value, skills, interest. Four things we have seen in previous classes. What are those? If you want to get anything, what are the four what are the four attributes you should have? First is skill, interest, value, and what else? You have to motivate yourself, self manage.
Responsibility.
Yes. So we should give each other inspiration. From others will get inspiration and will try to move forward. So from home we are connecting, and we are getting the opportunity to share our views and get the inspiration from each other, and we are moving towards that, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you out. So just share. We can, if we say we can, means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also will help you out, will help us. Okay, come up with like this one. Okay, ability to think deep, passion, consistency, perseverance, determination, adaptability, patience, focus, exploration. Here, ability to think deep, ability to think deep, the ability to perform critical thinking and evaluation is very important. The ability to perform and critical thinking and evaluation is very important. The industry itself is full of uncertainties, which will warrant you to propose solutions from time to time to correct some uncertainties. Your proposed solution would directly affect people's life once implemented. No excuse for wrong assumptions or calculation, or further base one's decisions on assumptions that are not real. Constant critical thinking and evaluation helps the individual to develop problem solving skills, which would be needed in future. Passion in everything you do, if there is no passion for it, it's just a waste of time. Part of the reason why IT professionals have been successful in the industry is because of the strong passion they have for doing what they do. Passion is what would motivate you to keep going when it seems your career is all over, when it has not actually started. Okay, this is true. Passion is what would passion is what would motivate you to keep going when it seems your career is all over, when it has not actually started. Passion is what will always push you to try again, and when you fail in doing something right so many times, you need passion. This is very much important. Okay, you should have the this motivation, self motivation to achieve anything, to achieve your goal. And in a flow also, passion means you will do the things in a flow, just like it's this is train is passing on in a flow. Anyone want to say, share your views on this? Yes, please.
Passion, ma'am. I want to say something about that.
Okay, okay.
Uh, my passion is like IT. I should become an IT engineer, but
Okay.
in my home they are forcing to become a civil engineer. Then I cannot become, ma'am, that one,
Yes.
because passion should be within ourselves. If anyone is telling to do
Yes.
this, we cannot do, ma'am.
Mm, yeah. Yes, it's true.
Yes, ma'am.
But for your passion, what are the things you want to do? What, how you will accomplish your passion?
Like learning new things in that field
Mm-hmm.
and implementing
Mm-hmm. Okay,
and
good.
daily
In
practicing
educating,
and exploring.
training.
Yes, yes, training and
Okay.
exploring.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to start with the small things, ma'am. So if it is
Yeah,
done,
yeah.
then we will
Mm.
get more interest.
Yes, yes, yes. Gradually we have to do. Yes, good. Yes, good points you have shared. Yes, passion. Next, anybody, please, Mr. Muhammad Amjad, Mr. Akram. Yes, Mr. Akram. And yesterday also we have seen about the trends. Yes, trends we have seen. What is information technology and what are the different trends it has? Latest trends in the IT industry, app development. Okay, technology skill gap is becoming wider. Cloud support we have seen. Okay, data security, emerging technology with IoT, cloud support, technology skill, IT team, app developments. You want to talk on, just share your views on this. IoT. data security, cloud support, please come up with your views. Yes, anybody? Cloud support, data security. Yes, please. We have less time. Okay, prepare well. Today's assignment on cloud support. Okay, prepare a few points on cloud support and share your audio. Share your audio on that cloud support. No written, okay? Audio in audio format, isn't it? Yes. Today's assignment on cloud support.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll do, ma'am.
So
Okay,
please,
okay.
everybody share your audio recording on cloud support. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Jazakallah. So please share your assignment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh.